In today's video, I'll teach you how to view send friend request on Facebook. So first of all, launch open Facebook. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. So if you want to view the send friend request, it is actually very simple. At top, you'll be able to find various icons over here. Tap on the friends icon that you can see right over here on your screen. Now you'll be able to see people you may know over here. Also, if you look at top, you'll be able to find two options, friend requests, your friends. Tap on this option, friend requests, that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to see all the friend requests that you've received over here. If you want to view the send friend request, tap on the three dots that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now at bottom you'll be able to find this option for view send request. Tap on it. Now you'll be able to view all the friend requests that you've sent over here. So like this you'll be able to view the sent friend request. So that is how you view send friend request on Facebook. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.